All right, we're back on the record on this cause number, and I've reviewed the entire file. I've taken judicial notice of the entire file as well. You know, heavy is the heart that carries the responsibility of this bench. As a judge that is trusted by this community, how do I not punish this offense? How do I make this family whole? I can't. I've been looking at your record, and I've been looking at, you know, the offense on this case, and you don't learn, Ms. Campos. And unfortunately, because you don't learn, there's an individual that will not ever be the same. You committed some type of homicide back in the 80s. I don't know anything about the facts of that case. But then you were given an opportunity by someone. You got out on parole, you violated your parole, and then you kept landing back into prison. You don't learn. You know, and I look at the family, and you know, this case is almost worse than a homicide. I know that she gets to see her son still, but she will never have the same relationship that she had before. You know, if you had just learned, if the system had just taught you something, but it didn't. There's no winner in this case. There's the only thing that I can do is to make sure that you never hurt anyone in our community again. At this time, the court is going to sentence you to 60 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. I'll give you credit for time served. I'm going to give you your right to appeal. Ms. Campos, this is a very heavy heart that I sentence you to this. But I truly believe it is my job to make sure you never hurt anyone ever again. That concludes the hearing. You can have a seat or take your lawyer back.
There's a victim impact statement.
All right, let's have the victim impact. Have a seat, Ms. Campos.